Hello co-visualizers, how's our rendering going? I'm here again for a new video, but this time we're going to have an overview of the new Vray 5 by Scope with its new features. On this video, I'll be just going through the essential features of the new renderer. Let's start. Vray 5 has some new features that offers, which really helps us in leveling up in our rendering projects. But let me just point out some of the features that for me is really essential to our workflow. The first feature is the UVW Randomizer. This stochastic tiling tool helps you modify your texture styling and randomize it to create a somewhat seamless texture. Next is the Material Asset Browser and the custom materials on the Material Editor. You can easily choose from the Material Browser for 500 ready-made materials to choose and to use it in your project and apply it to your scene or include it into your Material Editor slots. Lastly is the Vray Denoiser and Vray Lightmix. You need to add a render element for the Vray frame buffer, the Vray Denoiser and Vray Lightmix. And in your Vray frame buffer, you can interactively edit your lights in your scene in real time while rendering. So you can now make your post-production adjustments in 3ds Max. It can let you add fine tune by adding layers like white balance, lens effects, curve correction, and color corrections. Thanks a lot guys for watching, and please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be able to be updated on my latest videos. Okay, Doc?